everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. Today I wanted to talk to you about some new pasta that I found. Yeah, normally I just get like Prince spaghetti or this Barelli. The Barelli is the brand that I normally buy when you see me doing my cooking show. And these are both angel hair spaghetti. But I found some new things that I thought it'd be fun to try. So I found some egg noodles that are extra wide. And then I found some gluten-free. So these here are Sara Lee. And of course, I suppose you could probably get them any brand you want. But this one here is Pinkia, and it's a brown rice pasta. It's gluten-free. It says good texture, and says they will be al dente. So this is going to be interesting to try these. This is the fine egg noodles you saw me use the other day in the recipe. And then this one here is the smaller La Pasta noodles. So these are good for my Sunday meals. And then there's some Asian. There's a coarse and there's a fine that look like angel hair. And I'll tell you, this brand here, it's K-A-M-E, Kame, S-O-B-A. And these are Japanese. But I'll tell you, one really neat thing is there's always good recipes on the back of this package. So check the backs of your packages and get a pair of scissors and cut them out, because you'll get some new interesting recipes. Now this is one here you saw me review previously by Barelli. And I had these in assorted packages like I have these. And I'll tell you, they were really, really delicious. There was some with cheese, there was some with meat in them. This particular one here is ready pasta. It's fully cooked paninis. 60 seconds, just put boiled water in there, and 60 seconds you got a meal. If you work late, you come home and you need some pasta, or you're hungry, tired, don't want to cook, 60 seconds, there you go. Now this one here is a new brand I found, and I'm looking forward to trying this. This is in the Barelli line again. This is a red lentil rotoni, so a red lentil. So that's going to be fun to try. The next one I have is the lasagna noodles. These here are oven ready, and these are pretty good. You put them in a casserole dish with some ready-made spaghetti sauce, or of course make your own. For spaghetti sauce, you know, if you're diabetic, you probably don't really want canned spaghetti sauce because it's going to have sugar in it. If you just take some spaghetti sauce in the can, some paste, onions, garlic, and oregano, basil, salt, pepper, and then put in a splash of red wine in place of sugar, you're going to have a fantastic tasting spaghetti sauce that you can use. And put some cheese with it. Now this whole line here, this is real interesting. This is all by Rotoni, and this is garlic and olive oil vermicelli. So that one looks interesting. And then there's a chicken broccoli, and this one here is angel hair pasta with herbs, and probably do that with a chicken. So these are pretty cool. So here's Parmesan cheese. Here is shells and wide cheddar. So these are going to be great for Sunday pastas. A friend of mine is using these, and he really likes them. Fettuccine Alfredo. That's another friend of mine who really likes fettuccine Alfredo. And here's butter and garlic. Oh, butter and garlic. I think that's going to have to be the first one I make. Well, I just want to talk to you a little bit about pasta today. That's really it for my show. That's my quick tip. Enjoy making pasta and trying some new things. And thanks for stopping by. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye for now. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell. It's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.